You want to fly a FPV drone without building it, so I'm going to show you what I got myself and all the accessories I decided to purchase. So let's go. So first thing I decided to get is the carry-on bag. You get several compartments, one for the quad, the goggles, the remote controller, and all the accessories, spare batteries. You got some zippers here where you could put all your stuff. So it's well built, very solid, and okay. Second thing is propeller guard. You never know. I'm all new to this, so better safe than sorry. Memory card. I just wanted to have some memory card on the goggles and on the quad. Better safe than sorry. ND filters. I always fly drones with ND filters because I shoot in manual in photography and cinematography. So I got 4 ND filters: ND4, ND8, ND16, ND32. But I've never used an ND4. I always fly with some ND8, ND16, and ND32. Got myself the Fly More kit. 2 spare batteries because one is not enough. Arm bracers to make the drone stronger. Some extra propellers. And here is the beast. So I'm not cheating. I unpack it in front of you. Wow. Here are the goggles. Okay, I've always been told to just be careful. There's a lens inside and you need to protect it from the sun. I expected it to be bigger. What do we have under? Controller, some propellers. So let me show you. Propellers are divided into groups A and B. Power adapter and Google's battery. Goggles batteries. Here I have the top shell, Google's antenna, Google's handband, the cable, and the manual. So that's pretty much it. But let me check what we are interested in. So here's the quad. Beautiful. The goggles and the remote controller. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us start this FPV journey together, and please subscribe to this channel. Cheers.